Hello my beautiful soul tribe, welcome back to my channel. This is Neetu. Welcome back to another pick a card reading, and today's pick a card reading is going to be about taking a bigger look or a bigger picture of what is that we can expect in next 5 years. All right, let's see next 5 years, where will you be, or what is that, or what changes would have happened in your life, and anything that your angels and guides want to bring through today to sort of motivate you and show you the path where you are headed. So this is sort of a confirmation towards what is that every path and every step of what you're taking today is leading you towards. All right, this is getting a bigger picture of your journey for next 5 years, and let's get started. As usual, we have 3 piles here, pile number 1, 2 and 3. I'll also be placing the object on top of each pile. Once you make your selection, scroll down to the description box down below this video, click on the timestamp that is with reference to your particular pile that you have selected, and that is going to be your reading. All right, so let's get started. For group number 1, we have the happy Buddha or laughing Buddha, and for group number 2 we have Ganesha, and for group number 3 we have a tortoise or turtle. Okay, so these are the 3 piles that you are going to be selecting from. We have happy man or laughing Buddha, we have Ganesha, and then we have tortoise for group number 3. Make your selection. I'll be starting with group number 1 now. Welcome group number 1. If you have selected this happy man or laughing Buddha, and he's carrying a bag full of something, some surprise is what I'm feeling like. There is some sort of surprise. There is going to be a lot of element of surprise that is involved for you in next 5 years. Like things are going to take twists and turns for your good, for your highest and greater good. What I'm hearing is for you to trust your path 100% and stay dedicated and devoted towards the path that you have taken, because it has got a lot of potential to bring in happiness is what I'm hearing. A lot of happiness and fulfillment, joy, basically to lead a happy life is what I'm hearing for you. There is going to be a lot of twists and turns. Maybe things may not work out exactly like how you probably planned, like A, B, C, D, which is leading you to some other junction where probably there is a plan that you have laid out for yourself. It may not follow, life may not follow exactly the plan that you have, but it is going to take you exactly where you need to go, which is a much better place. Having said that, it is not to shatter your dreams or crush down your dreams. Your dreams will certainly be fulfilled, but the direction or the path or the the way it is going to be fulfilled is going to be different, and a lot of surprises that is going to come to your way. And also in next 5 years you'll be working towards releasing a lot of baggage is what I'm hearing. You're going to work towards improving yourself in terms of releasing the baggages, releasing something that is not serving you anymore, learning to receive help, learning to receive spiritual guidance. You're going to be opening up yourself to receiving abundance, and I'm getting a very high vibe of happiness, and my nose is slightly getting blocked as I'm speaking for your group. And trust me, I was absolutely fine before starting the reading, and you'll be raising a lot of blockages that you have been holding on in your life so far, in terms of your beliefs, in terms of old habits or patterns or anything like that. So you'll be constantly working on yourself to bettering your life, and divine, the spirit is going to guide you towards the entire process, but you got to have faith is what I'm hearing. Yeah, but let's jump into the reading. Yeah, 9 of Cups, emotional fulfillment, and then we have King of Swords. All right, yes, King of Swords. Like you're going to take some major decisions. As I told you, he's going to you're going to cut off a lot of things from your life which is not meant for you, or something that is dragging you down, or something that is not meant to be in your life. You are going to take some bold decisions. You're going to cut it off from your life for your better. All right, we have 9 of Cups. This is the ultimate emotional satisfaction. Like you'll be so happy 5 years from looking at your life, looking at your path, like how far you have come, and you'll be reminiscing sort of your success, your happiness, your emotional fulfillment, and also you'll be reminiscing the fact that you took some bold steps, you took certain decisions, and you helped yourself all this while to be here in this place of emotional fulfillment and satisfaction. 5 years from now, I'm seeing a lot of emotional satisfaction, fulfillment, success. As I told you, it is going to be like you'll be looking at your tapestry of life, and you'll be completely happy, and you'll be proud of yourself for how far you have come, is what I'm hearing for you, group number 1. And that is a beautiful thing, or a beautiful place to be in. And this is absolutely, I'm absolutely happy for you, because being in this 9 of Cups energy, it is all about contentment. It is all about being proud, like a proud moment for how far you have come. Emotionally, you would have matured far from where you are right now, and you know exactly what to speak, when to speak, or how to use your communication for your benefit. You would have become a much better communicator in terms of having your things done in a very professional way, and in a way where you're not going to take any nonsense from anybody else. You would have grown a lot. You would have grown to become this King of Swords, who understands, who is very intellectual, who is going to take decisions based on his intellect, his knowledge, his wisdom that he has in his bag, and also he is the one who is going to take chances. He's not afraid. He's going to take chances, and that is you. You are becoming the king energy. You are going to embody this king energy, and here you are. I sort of feel that this is the same person here, somehow. Like completely happy and proud in his own throne, in his own energy, in his embodiment of matured emotions. Wow, this is really good. You are definitely going to be in an absolutely different place from where you are. Probably you will be moving out as well for some of you, to the place somewhere nearby to the water, is I'm hearing, because we have a lot of cups and we have a lot of water there as well. Or you may be visiting a lot of places where it is, like ocean, sea, something like that. You may have a deeper connection to water, is what I feel. And if you learn this water magic, using water for manifestation, if you have any idea about that, you can research and do some research on that, and you can learn that, because I feel like you are somehow drawn to water or connected to water. You may be Cancer also, Cancer, Pisces. Yeah, but that is what I'm seeing for you as of now. Okay, we have King of Stones, that is King of Pentacles. Lot of King, Queen energies. Look at that. You are becoming the king and queen of your empire or your life, for at least that is what I can say. And this person is happy, enjoying his beautiful time, and he has a dog, very loyal. You will be surrounded with people who are so loyal to you, who is going to support you for what is that you have to offer. And also these two here, the king and the queen, and we have two kings for that matter. You're definitely going to mature to become a king or a queen energy, where you know exactly what to do, how to do, and how to live life with grace, with emotional satisfaction. And I also see for some of you are going to take the path of your creativity. You're going to launch some of your creative projects for the public to benefit from your creative projects. Some of your artists here, maybe you're going to display your art in a gallery, or you will pursue your art full time, whatever that art is, whatever that art that you're trying to master right now. For some of you it could be music also. I'm seeing a lot of music going on here, and people are coming to your concert, or to your live music, or the gigs you're following. But there is something about your passion that you'll be following along with your main work or a main job for some of you, and it is going to be successful. And probably that is one of the reason why you'll be in a very better emotional place, where you because you are connected deep into your soul, like you know what is that your soul is craving for, and you're going to follow that. As I told you in the beginning, like things may be very surprising to you, like like 5 years from now you'll be surprised at where you are and what you're doing, because probably right now it is hard for you to imagine that you'll be probably doing these gigs or music 5 years down the lane, or you will be painting or something like that, or taking your hobbies or this passion to next level. It may be hard for you to think right now, but what I'm seeing for you in 5 years is this is going to give you a lot of emotional fulfillment, or you'll be following your creative endeavor or your own project, which is going to give you a lot of success, happiness. Yeah, there are a lot of surprises, some of the things which can't even be explained at this point in time. There are going to be a lot of surprises on the way for you, group number 1. So really get prepared for I'm also hearing distant horizons, like you're going far, like I'm also seeing water again, a lot of water. Maybe you're moving to a place where there's a lot of water for some of you, for sure. Okay, unknown territory, you're exactly where you need to be. Blessings are showering your life. Yeah, a lot of blessings, group number 1. Unknown territory, as of now you may feel like things are probably not very certain, or you really can't understand where you're headed, but this path, the direction what they're showing is leading you to a lot of blessings, all right, leading you towards a lot of rainbow blessings. Rainbow as in all spectrum of your life is receiving the blessings, not just one. Probably your health, your job, your career, your relationship, although I'm not seeing much of a relationship for you, group number 1. I don't know for what reason, but the blessings are showered in your life, in terms of your individuality, you becoming your king and queen energy, and you following your passion and making something big out of it, and that brings a lot of blessings into your life. I'm seeing castle. Yeah, for a matter of fact, we have castle here, like you will have your own home. For some of you, if you are working towards buying your own home, I'm seeing you having your own place where you'll have your own lifestyle, like you are claiming your throne is what I can say. Next 5 years you will be sitting in your own throne, metaphorically speaking, but yeah, like you'll have your own place, your own identity, your own individuality, your own ideas, your own visions, your own way of living, your lifestyle. Everything will be absolutely improved, matured, with emotional satisfaction, lot of surprises, blessings, abundance. I am so thrilled for you, group number 1, and I really hope that this is you stay dedicated and devoted to your path, because it has a lot of potential. Okay, look at that celebration. Let go and have fun. As I told you, next 5 years you'll be working towards letting go of whatever is not serving you, and you are getting into this place of, again, I'm seeing a lot of individuality, your own energy, your own energy is radiating everywhere, and it is going to draw a lot of attention towards you, like you will be in the limelight and people want to be with you, people want to make friends with you, but you're in your own zone, you're having your own life, you're enjoying, and I see a lot of animals here. Probably you have affinity towards animals, or you may be a person who are drawn to animal, or you may start something in terms of animal shelter or taking care of abandoned animals, or you may adopt a animal pet in your life. But there is something about animal and you, there is some sort of connection between you and the animals. Probably you're going to adopt animal, or you're going to buy a pet in next 5 years is what I'm seeing. Illusion, embrace the truth. Yeah, you're definitely coming out of illusion, you're coming out of your false self, you're embodying your truth, you embodying your path, your destination, and you're going to stay devoted to that. And that is what calls for celebration. Like whole world is going to celebrate, the universe is going to celebrate your dedication, and it is going to bring you a lot of surprises, support along the way, and you're going to be successful in whatever that path that you're choosing right now, or you're already on that path. Raise your vibration. This is exactly what is the energy that I'm getting. High vibing energy. Raise your vibration. Your vibration would have raised by 5 years from now. 5 years from now you'll be in a very different place, which you can't even imagine right now. Your vibration, as in your alignment will be absolutely different. You will be in a different zones, like you're being just a page as in a princess or a knight, to being a king or a queen. It is a major improvement, and it is absolutely a different game altogether, and that is where you're headed, where you're going to go bag in all the opportunities on the way, and your vibration will be so high because your emotions, you'd have sorted all your emotions, and you know exactly how to use your emotions to your benefit and not to get dragged into the drama of life. And there is something about you really owning yourself 100% as a package, not ignoring the shadows, not ignoring your past, like you completely acknowledging whatever you have been through, where you are right now and where you are going, and that is going to help you a lot. All right, so yeah, this is amazing. I'm so happy and thrilled for your group number 1. Hope it is going to push you even more harder to pursue your path, your dream, because I'm thrilled for you. Hope you're thrilled too. And that's all I'm getting for you, group number 1. If you have liked the video, please subscribe to my channel. See you in my next video. Love you all. Take care. Bye-bye. Welcome, group number 2. If you have selected Ganesha, this reading is for you. And Ganesha is the remover of obstacle, and I just love him, his energy. It is so happy and childlike, at the same time have enough maturity to do what needs to be done, and that is the energy that I'm getting for you, group number 2. You're going to embody your child self, or you're going to follow the path of something that you really wanted to do as a child, and there is something related to you following your dreams and aspirations and acknowledging yourself as a whole, as complete. I don't know if that is making sense, because that is what I'm hearing for you. You're going to acknowledge your gift, you're going to acknowledge your talent, you're going to acknowledge what is that you got to offer to the world, and you're going to offer it to the world, because that is where your money, abundance, and prosperity, success lies. If you're trying to drag yourself to the work that is not giving you the sort of satisfaction that you want, here is an answer to you, because the next 5 years you're going to follow the path that your soul craves for, or your inner child is jumping up and down and telling you, you know what, you are good at this, and you're going to heal a lot of your inner child wounds. If you have any, like if you had been through a difficult childhood and stuff, you are going to heal yourself. A lot of healing energy that is coming your way, like you're going to heal your past, you're going to heal your childhood problems or issues or whatever that there is, if there is any. This is a general reading, just take how it is resonating with you, but that is what I'm getting for you. And also you're going to release a lot of pain, worry, sufferings is what I'm hearing, because I'm feeling like choking, like my throat is getting like I can't speak. That is how I'm feeling. It's like choking sensation is what I'm feeling. Like you're going to release a lot of things that is deep hidden within you, and that is what is going to remove the obstacle out of your life, and it is going to take you to a whole new stage altogether in next 5 years. But let's see what cards has to say. But that is the energy I'm feeling for you. Okay, look at that. We have Chariot, obstacles removed, you going forward. Things may be slow in the past. Yeah, look at that, 10 of Swords. There is no doubt, group number 2, that is exactly what I was feeling, like defeated. Yeah, can't go any further. I feel defeated. Where am I headed? What is going to happen with my life? Trust me, you're going to turn out pretty good. All right, so trust in the universe. Obstacles are removed and you're going to get a breakthrough that you're looking for. But for that to happen, you have to get up and you got to get back on track. You cannot give up on yourself, because universe, God is not going to give up on you. So you cannot give up on yourself is what I'm hearing. Although you can take rest, you can completely switch off from the world and take rest or cry or do whatever you want to, but you got to pick yourself up and you got to get going, because that is what is going to bring you the success. This is here the success that you are looking for. Things finally picking up, going forward. You're going to gain momentum. Things are going to gain momentum in your life very soon. And like chariot is not the success that comes overnight. All right, you worked for it, you worked really hard to get the success. All right, believing in yourself, believing in your talent, believing in your abilities, believing that you can is going to bring a lot of changes into you, into your life. And I believe that is what is going to push you towards what you really want in life. All right, a lot of obstacles will be released out of your path, but before that to happen, or the very reason that will happen, is when you decide to get up again and not succumb to the situation or the problem, but rather face it head on, or come up with a strategy like, how can you work this out? Yeah, I understand this is not working out, what can I do, or how else can I do, or is there a support? Because I'm hearing a lot of support is available, but the problem is you don't want to take help or a support. But angels and guides, your spiritual team is telling, if you're not asking for help, how do you expect us to bring help? Because that is how they work. They bring in support as a friend, as a mentor, as somebody else, and that is how you're going to receive help. And you got to ask for help if you feel you can't go any further. All right, so yeah, 5 years from now, you will definitely you would have overcome a lot of obstacles, you would have released a lot of past baggages, worry, pain, sufferings, or whatever that you have been through, and you would have picked yourself up. And here is the proof that you are making it forward. Chariot is, there is a sun behind you, taking your life under control. Can you see you are holding the reins, like you are managing your emotions? And can you see the duality here, black and white, like good and bad, or ups and downs in the life? You're going to master that. All right, if not mastery, you will at least know how to deal with it, how to deal with the pain and suffering or emotions, and how to gain control is at least where you will be in next 5 years, where you will know exactly how to gain control and not to fall into the trap. All right, so yeah, let's keep going, because I feel like a very heavy dense energy, group number 2. Okay, we have the star. Oh, look at that. Again, we have a lot of horses here. Looks like horse is going to be your spirit animal for next 5 years. And horse is all about action. Horse is all about being wild, running, taking actions, moving forward, not being stuck, with grace, is what I'm hearing. Like, there is going to be a lot of positive movement forward. You are going to get a breakthrough, that is for sure. But before you reach there, you'll have to get back on track. And we have star here. This is again the wish fulfillment. Whatever that you have been wishing for, praying for, or something that is not working out for you as of now, things are going to pick up, things are going to gain momentum, and it is going to definitely go to the next level, where there is going to be a lot of success. It's like almost handing over. The success has been handed over to you with utmost gentle and care, with from your guides and angels. They are all around you, helping you, supporting you, and you got to trust them, and you got to trust your path as well. And 4 of spiral, this meant, and 4 of spiral is 4 of wands, that is happiness and stability. Very importantly, stability. In next 5 years, stability is going to be yours. All right, you will be completely stable, in a place where you don't have to worry much, where things are going fine, things are absolutely in your favor. Now you got control of life, everything is getting better, and things like that. And this is going to bring you immense satisfaction, and also will give you further more courage and the motivation and the inspiration to go further and not to settle for small. All right, you may be only aiming for $1,000 or $10,000 or $5,000 or whatever is the number, if it is about money, but there is a lot more that is in store for you, at least 10 times more than what is that you are aiming at right now. Do not settle for less, because you may get comfortable after you reach a certain point, but in next 5 years your angels and guides are telling you will be pushed further to pursue more, and to explore your fullest potential. You'll be pushed further to explore your fullest potential, because you may have the tendency to underestimate yourself, your own talent, your own ability, but that is not going to be the case in next 5 years. You'll be pushed every time when you try to settle down, and you got to understand that when your soul is urging you, like, no, you got to go further, take another step. It is just universe telling you and pushing you to really explore your talent. You got to believe and own your talent is what I'm hearing for you, group number 2. Okay, infinite abundance. Wow, this is just amazing. Abundance is pouring into your life. Finally, there is a breakthrough. There is a lot of abundance. Yeah, if you can say, there is a lot of support, people around you, like happy family situation. Things are going to get better and harmonious. Abundance. You'll have enough to save, store, give it away for, helping others. And that is why your angels and guides are telling you, you cannot settle, you cannot compromise, because you have a lot more to do in life, and they're going to push you further. Stepping into your power. You're strong beyond measures. Absolutely. Yes. Stepping into your power. You're stepping into your power in next 5 years, and you're going to lead others as well towards where you're going, or probably you're owning a business, or there is something that you're going to provide guidance to others as well. For some of you, as this is a general reading, we cannot narrow down what it is, but what I'm hearing is you're going to be like a light. Like, people will be surprised, like, wow, how did you do this? You were in a whole other place 5 years back, and people will be amazed how you picked yourself, how you followed through your life. You did not give up. You believed in yourself, and that is what gave you this energy to step into your power. You will serve as a light to others. You will set an example, is what I'm hearing. You're going to set an example to the young people, or whoever that is around you. They will come to you. For some of you, I'm hearing business mentorship. Like, I'm also seeing Robin Sharma, if you have read his book, like supporting the business, like you could be a consultant for a business owners, or you may train people on certain aspects that where you have mastered it. For some of you, that is what I'm seeing. Okay. Yeah, this is almost feels like too much to handle by next 5 years, because you will be in a different place altogether. And then originality, blaze your own trail. Exactly, blaze your own trail. Do you hear that? Blaze your own trail. You're not here to be following what normally people do. You're here to blaze your own trail. You're here to dance to your own rhythm. You're here to be you. You're not here to follow others. You're here to set an example to others. You're here to help others, mentor others, to overcome their own shadows, overcome their own fears, overcome and heal their own past. For some of you are definitely probably become a counselors or a teachers in some form, or for healers also. I am seeing some healers, energy healers, or through your voice, through your word, but there is something that you're going to take control of or use it, like your gifts and talents. As I was telling in the beginning, you could have some gifts, like spiritual gifts, but you're afraid whether it is going to pan out or not, and your angels and guides are telling you got to trust. Okay, you got to trust. If you don't trust and follow it through, how else you will know? Because you are absolutely unique, and you have something very important to offer to the world, and people need that. Okay, so don't be afraid. Go with the flow. Let things happen. Absolutely take control. Let things happen. We have Chariot here taking the reins, and then we have this beautiful lady taking the reins, going forward, marching forward, not looking at the past. Although it looks like tsunami, she's really not bothered what happened in the past. She's just enjoying the ride. She's going with the flow. She wants to enjoy the ride, not just reaching the destination. And that is what you're called to do right now. Don't worry where you're going. Enjoy the process, enjoy the journey. By the time you realize, you'll be there already in your destination, and you'll be amazed how you reach there. Like one step at a time, and you reach there is what I'm hearing. A lot of success, or at least you'll reach a place where you are under control and you're not really worried. Okay, so we have a step back, and this is the energy that I'm receiving is you got to protect your energy, all right? Because as I'm seeing here, how the reading is going, I feel like a lot of light workers, healers, or Reiki healers, or energy, any sort of energy healers, readers like tarot readers. There is some sort of spiritual job or business where you offer your service to others, or mentors, counselors, the teachers. I also heard stand-up comedians for some of you, I don't know, but I'm just picking up a lot of energy here. But yeah, so it is going to be really hard for you to stay away from people. I feel like you are going to be within the community. You'll be helping the community or helping a lot of people whenever you feel drained, because a lot of people are going to be drawn to you is what I'm hearing. You got to take a step back, and you got to understand when to give and when to retract, when to seek solitude. You have to understand that, because that is going to be very important for you in your journey. I'm definitely seeing you being in the spotlight in next 5 years in some way, shape or form. You being in the spotlight, for some of you could be you could become a life coach also. I don't know, I'm just picking up a lot of energies here where you're standing and being there for others, whatever that means to you. You got to take a step back whenever you think you can't go forward, and protect your energy, or ask your angels and guides to help protect your energy and then move forward. All right, yeah, I'm seeing a lot of horse, unicorn energy, like magic, and also Ganesha we have. So yeah, these are the energies that I'm feeling for you, and I'm absolutely happy that you're going to take control of your life. You are going to step into your power. There's going to be a lot of infinite abundance. You'll be dancing to your own song, to your own rhythm, going with the flow and letting things happen, releasing, healing your past, healing your childhood pains if you have any. You'll be in a very better place, much better place, actually in a different stage altogether in your life in next 5 years. All right, I'm absolutely happy for you. God bless you all. Love you all. Take care. If you have liked the video, please subscribe to my channel. See you in my next video. Bye-bye. Group number 3. If you have selected the tortoise, this reading is for you. All right. I'm hearing success, and I'm hearing luck. Okay. Because they were showing me the bag suddenly dropping from the sky sort of vision, so I was trying to understand how to express it, but yeah, I can narrow it down to the word luck. There is some sort of luck, or a change of luck, or change of path. There is a lot of change is what I'm hearing for you. Yeah, I'm hearing a lot of changes that is coming your way, which is positive change for you, and it sort of feels like a not a very strong warning, but I'm hearing like changes can feel difficult. All right, so if something feels a little difficult, you have to understand that it doesn't or it will not last forever. You got to get on board with the change. Do not resist, because if you resist, it is going to be very difficult for you to get through it. That is the word of caution that they are giving. Like, you got to get on board with whatever the changes that is happening in your life, because that is sort of steering you towards where you are supposed to go. Like, yeah, like they are showing like they're bringing you towards where you're supposed to go, towards your destination is what I'm hearing. Oh wow, I'm absolutely not surprised to see the tower here. Trust me, I don't see cards. I honestly don't see cards before I pull. Okay, we have the tower. Tower is a sudden change. tower is a sudden change or a sudden destruction, things, sort of uprooted, things falling apart for some of you. It is only to put you into this energy of Queen of Wands. All right, now probably you are now settling with something small, settling with what, let it be, I'll just deal with it, like that is the kind of energy probably you're in. But your angel and guides are telling you, no, you cannot be in the energy where you have to compromise a lot. Things has to turn around. Time has come for you to own your power, own your energy, and really express your inner beauty, and release everything that is not, or release anything that is stopping you from shining your light, is what I'm hearing. And Queen of Wands, she is a very dynamic woman, like she knows, she owns, she's sort of a badass kind of energy. Like she knows how to deal with things, she's all about individuality, her power, her throne, and she's not dependent on her counterpart, the king, to complete her, although they have a very good relationship, not denying that, but she has her own individuality. She's not much dependent, I love Queen of Wands energy, and this is what you are embodying, you being that passionate person that you are. Like as of now, your passion, or there is something that is stopping you from expressing your true self. I don't know if it is job that is sucking your energy. I don't know if it is your people around you, your parents, your husband, your wife, or any relationship, or anything that is sucking your energy and not allowing you to shine. Something needs to be changed. There is some sort of change coming your way to really shake up your ground and show you that you deserve something better, or you deserve the upgraded version of this, or whatever that means, and you are going to, and that is why they gave a word of caution, like, wow, this is crazy. That is why they gave a word of caution, like, you got to get on board with the change. It may feel all up in the air for some time, but this is for your good. You got to trust the universe, you got to trust us, and we know where you're headed. We know that if you're stuck someplace where you don't belong, the tower moment is absolutely necessary to uproot it. The visionary and the Six of Spirals. Okay, the visionary is all about the Knight of Scrolls. It's Knight of Wands again. You sort of have a vision in your mind, or you thought life is going to be in certain way, or this is how you thought your life is going to be, but somehow it took a derail, it somehow took a detour, and you simply cannot understand why this happened, or how will I get out of it, or how will I overcome this, or how will I find my path, my source of energy, my source of happiness. As of now, it is depleting, draining, or somebody is really draining your energy, whatever that is, or whoever that is. Time, you are going to change a lot of things in your life, my friends. Group number 3, you're going to bring a lot of change in your life, that people will be surprised. Like you probably, the difference that I can tell you is, as of now, you're too sweet, too kind, like you are there, always available to others, whereas the you in next 5 years, she or he is a total badass. Like, wow, it's a major transition. All right, you're going through a transition period, a transformational period right now, where you're not going to let anybody take advantage of you anymore. Like, you are claiming your throne, like you're claiming your power. You'll be shining your light, and whatever that means to you, if you want to start your own business, or if you want to get rid of your past, or you want to bring some changes into your relationship, or if you want to break up with somebody, or whatever is the case, you will be in a different space altogether, where your energy will be valued, your energy will be celebrated, where your talent will be celebrated, where you I am seeing a lot of celebration, like people are going to celebrate you being you, probably your friends are going to celebrate this breakthrough or this change that you have brought into your life. And oh man, this is simply amazing. All right, you're going to really enjoy this new you in next 5 years, group number 3. Like, yeah, by looking at the path, you'll be surprised. As of now, I don't think so you have the courage to take this sort of bold decisions as of now, but you will be forced to take certain hard decisions, trust me, and it is for your good. That is why they're telling, get on board with the changes. If you try to resist it, you're going to be in a painful situation, or you'll be continue to be in the painful situation where you cannot shine, where you cannot thrive, where you cannot grow. Whereas in the next part, or in next 5 years from now, you'll be thriving, you'll be in your own throne, you will be having this magic wand in your hand, and you boom, and things are going to happen for you. And that is a whole new energy, group number 3. I'm so happy for you. I know this is going to be a little painful, but it is going to be worth it, trust me. Okay, solitude. In silence, peace prevails. Gate of triumph, success expands in your life. Absolutely. Solitude. Time for you to take a break, all right? It's time for you to go in silence, or retreats, or some sort of programs where you can be in solitude, where you will be taking certain decisions. You're going to enjoy a lot of solitude, being alone time, where you can regain your energy that you have lost. This is what is going to give an idea or a vision of what is that you want, and where you're headed. Or you're going to plan a lot by being solitude. You're going to enjoy being alone, spending time reading, or being in your own energy, or meditating. There is something about you taking care of yourself. Self-care will be very important for you, and that is what you're going to do. You're going to take care of yourself, your mental health, your physical health, your overall health and well-being will be a prime focus for you in next 5 years. And that is what is giving you this success path, this gate of triumph, because it was inevitable for you to work on yourself, because whatever is happening here is definitely not working out for you. And you're going to look at various options, various visions, dreams that you're holding, and things. You're going to take control of your life, group number 3. You don't have to worry whether I'll fail, what is going to happen, will I be stuck? No, you are not. And that is the beauty of this reading of 5 years, to take the bigger picture, that this is not what we are leading the life today is not everything. Every day things are going to change, every day things are going to shift, every day we have an opportunity to take new decisions. And here is an example for you to see in next 5 years, where you will be like complete 360-degree transformation. If you were sitting today and wondering, wow, where is my life going? Wow, look at this is what is happening in next 5 years. And that is going to and that is going to push you every day to take some decisions which are very important, to bring small changes every day, so that you can reach here effortlessly. Okay, keys to goodness, 7 heavenly virtues, lot of support, group number 3. You have got a lot of supports, and all these things is happening because I see you as like goddess energy. Like God energy is what I'm feeling for you. Like goddess energy, you're so kind, calm, sensitive, empaths. Your heart goes to people, and you have such beautiful heavenly qualities to you, and people take advantage of it. People really don't reciprocate what they take from you, and that really hurts you. That really puts you in a place like, why am I doing all this, when when people just treat you however they want to treat you. And wow, you're just amazing, all right? Please don't stop rubbing your energy onto others, because people need such kind energy. Like earth needs this kind of energy, you guys are just amazing. You have to know that, all right? I just have to put it out there because you are amazing. Leadership, set your goals. Oh my god, look at that. We have lion, and you taking your control, you taking your power back, and the sun is rising, and lot of sunflower. Can you feel the energy out of it, group number 3? You are going to be the queen the king energy, and we have lion taking things under control, and luck, lot of luck. I'm seeing a lot of luck for you, things changing around. Once you take these decisions, once you get on board with these changes, you are the leader, all right? You are the leader of your own life, if not for others. You're going to step into the leadership role, and that is going to bring in a lot of triumph, the success. If you are working for others, you may change the job and do something on your own, or you may get into the next level or change the job and become the leader. But there is something which is very promising, which is going to put you in this leadership position where you will be guiding others to show them how things are done, all right? Not in a stereotypical way how it is normally done, but you have your own way and you want to share that to others. And don't shy away from sharing your ideas and thoughts with others, because it is absolutely on target and on point. Cut the cords, exactly, cutting the cords, like you healing your past, and whatever that is really blocking you, you definitely will cut the cords from all that is draining your energy, not allowing you to shine. You're going to cut the cords. There is no doubt about it. It may feel a little chaotic or a little disturbing or everything up in the air. You may go through certain period of uncertainty, but trust me, with this alignment of cards, I feel that it is for your good. It is for your highest and greater good. It is for you to put into this leadership position, to own your energy, to own your power, to be who you are, but without being threatened or dominated by others, but by living on your own terms. All right, so that is what I'm seeing for you, group number 3, in next 5 years. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you like the video, please subscribe to my channel. I'm super happy and thrilled for you. Love you all. Take care. See you in my next video. Bye bye.